Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video we will go through how we make a function block for a blinking lamp. First, let's create a new project. Then to make a function block we right-click on Program and add New Data, then choose Function Block. I will first add my labels. We will need one input word, one output bit, and two timers for this block. Now that our labels are done, we can go to the program and make some programming. This is the code needed for a pulse generator. It is two counter that will always count towards each other depending on what time value we give it, and pulse out for each time timer 0 is counting. Let's compile it and go to the main program block. I will now add the function block to my main program. Just drag the function block in. We can now add an application instruction and add a value for how fast the block should pulse for. And on the output I will use Y0 from my PLC. Let's download the program and test it out. As you can see, the output Y0 now blinking. We can choose whichever value for how often it should pulse. I will now add 3 more blocks and give them different value and to some other outputs on the PLC. Let's download and test this out. They will be blinking in different speeds depending on what value we given them. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.